My name is Whitney Aguilar. I am the Director of Academic Entertainment. We are the premier provider of outstanding in-person and virtual assemblies nationwide for schools and summer camps. And here are 5 things that you should always do to have a successful assembly experience. Number 1, make sure that you use a reputable agency. Academic Entertainment was incorporated in 1997. Our mission is to make learning fun, and our philosophy is that we promote education through quality entertainment. So we always believe in quality. We only represent the best of the best. And so you can kind of consider when you work with us that our programs have been pre-vetted to be the best that there is available. Number 2, you want to make sure that you check your references. On our website, we have all of our reviews and good words about our presentations. We are always willing to provide you with contact information for other schools in the country or perhaps even near you that have used our programs. Number 3, make sure that your reservation fee is paid on time to hold your date and time. This will ensure that your presenter is available the day and the time that you want them. We always send out an invoice upon confirmation of scheduling. Not responding to the invoice and request for a service agreement and a signature does not mean that you've canceled your presentation. As a subset to number 3, we recommend communicate with us via phone and email if you decide not to proceed. Communication is very important. Number 4, another important thing to have a successful assembly and when planning school and camp shows is to make sure that you are getting your purchase order or your budget approved before scheduling. Oftentimes we will schedule a presentation and then the PTA person goes back to their budget committee and it wasn't approved, and no one likes to cancel a presentation. Same thing with a purchase order. Go through the proper channels within your organization to make sure that your budget is approved. Try to do that before scheduling. We like to work with your agency and will schedule with a purchase order in lieu of a reservation fee. Finally, number 5, make sure your presenter is in contact with you before the day of the show. We send out assembly reminders to our clients as well as the presenter. We expect the presenter to reach out to you within 1 to 2 weeks of your presentation to confirm their arrival time, setup needs. If the presentation is virtual, they will send you a Zoom link, or we ask if you're hosting on Google Meet to make sure that you've given us that link a couple of weeks in advance as well. And it's good to provide contact cell phone number in case the presenter needs to reach you, whether on site or via a virtual assembly. It all goes back to communication. I appreciate the opportunity to work with you. All of us at Academic Entertainment appreciate the opportunity to work with you. And we look forward to being your one-stop shop for all your assembly needs. I hope these tips were helpful for you to do your best in planning a successful entertainment experience for your youth. Please contact us, visit our website, academicentertainment.com, email us info@academicentertainment.com, or give us a call, 800-883-9883. Thank you.